Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss about the another modern Muslim thinker, Ali Shariati. In the chapter 10, unit 13. Okay, Ali Shariati born in 1933, November 23, and he died in 1977, 18 June. He is an Iranian revolutionary and sociologist who focus on sociology of religion. Okay, he is held as one of the most influential Iranian intellectuals in the 20th century. He has been called the ideologue of the Iranian revolution. Keep in mind, he has been called the ideologue of Iranian revolution, and his resting place is Sayyida Zainab Mosque in Damascus, Syria. Okay, the organization of Ali Shariati is Husseiniye Ershad, and the political party of Ali Shariati is Freedom Movement of Iran. So the Ali Shariati born in Mazinan in northeast Iran, and in 1952 he became a high school teacher and founded the Islamic Students Association, which led to his arrest in 1953. And the year of Mossadegh overthrow, he became the member of National Front. And in 1957, he arrested again by the Iranian police. And then he moved into University of Paris, and he earned PhD in 1964. And then he left to Paris. During this period, he started during the Shariati in Paris, he started collaborating with the Algerian National Liberation Front in 1959, and he was arrested in Paris on 1961, June 17. And the same year, he joined in Ibrahim Yazdi and Mustafa Kemal in founding Freedom Movement of Iran. Okay, in 1962, he continued studying sociology and history of religion in Paris, and in 1964 he moved to Iran, Tehran, and at that time he became the more followers gathered around with him, and the popularity of Ali Shariati increased. And Ali Shariati sought to revive the revolutionary current of Shiism, and his interpretation of Shiism is to encourage a revolution in the world and promise the salvation after death. Okay, he referred to his brand of Shiism as a red Shiism, which he contrasted with the non-revolutionary black Shiism of Safavid. Okay, his brand of Shiism is red Shiism known as. His works are first one Hajj, second one Hubutul Inkawil, and Guftulhane Janha. Okay, these are the three his work. Assalamu alaikum.